If you want to check all your traffic stats on your site dashboard, you need to integrate your Google Analytics code into the plugin. If you already have a Google Analytics account, go to 121 to learn how to integrate it into your website. If you don't have a Google Analytics account, you can easily create one on the Google Analytics website for free. I will show you how to do it right now. 1. How to create a Google Analytics account. Go to the Google Marketing Platforms page to access Google Analytics. Find the link in the description. If you have a Google account and are not signed in, click Sign in to Analytics. If you don't have a Google account, choose to Start for free. Type in your account name and click Next. Type in your property name and click Show Advanced Options. Enable Create a Universal Analytics property. Type in your website URL. Click on the Create a Universal Analytics Property Only radio button, and then click Next. Fill in your business information. Click Create. You'll go to the Google Analytics Terms of Service Agreement section. Click I accept. Choose the types of notifications. If a pop-up window appears, click the Save button. 2. How to integrate Google Analytics into your website. Sign in to your Google Analytics account. Click Admin. Tracking info. Tracking code. Copy the global site tag script. Go to your site's WordPress dashboard. Customization. Head. Add this script in head tag container for head elements. Click Save Settings. 3. How to make Google Analytics live stats visible on your dashboard. Go to the Google Developers Console. Find the link in the description. In the Google Developers Console, click the Select a Project. New Project. Enter your project name. Click the Create button. Go to Dashboard. Click the Enable APIs and Services. Scroll down to section Other. Click Google Analytics API. Then click Enable. Click Create Credentials. Skip the next step by clicking Cancel. Click Create Credentials, and choose OAuth Client ID. Click the Configure Consent Screen button. Choose External User Type. Click Create. Enter your application name. Enter your domain name to the authorized domains. Click the Save button. If you have another front layout for the admin panel, save and continue to the next steps. Then click Back to Dashboard. Click Publish App. Click Credentials. Then, Create Credentials. Select the OAuth Client ID option. Select Other or Desktop App. Enter name, and click Create. Client ID and Secret Client will be displayed to you. Copy this information and paste it in your WordPress admin area. Go to AliDropship. Reports. Traffic Report. Click Get Access Code. If you see this screen, click Advanced, and then click the Go To button with the name of your app on it. Now you can choose an account to continue with. Click Allow in the Grant Traffic Permission window. After closing this window, click the Allow button again. Copy the access code and paste it in the WordPress admin area. Click Continue. Click Continue again. Now you can view your traffic report inside your WordPress dashboard. It might take Google Analytics some time before showing your stats. Don't worry if you don't see it immediately, it normally appears within a day or after a few hours. Update your site later and you will see your statistics. That's it. If you need more information about the extension or AliDropship plugin, please visit the knowledge base section on our official site.